Hey everyone, and welcome to the spring semester. I'm using this video for both my Modern Latin American History class and my section of New Mexico History online because I wanted to just address a few things that are common to both of the classes. So first and foremost, welcome to our class. I look forward to meeting each of you here in C&M Learn and getting to know you and learning from your insights on either Latin American or New Mexican history this spring semester. We will be using Twitter in both of our classes, both of these sections, so I just wanted to point out a couple of things about that as we get started this week. First, please feel free to use a different account if you already have one for class. So again, you don't have to use your personal Twitter account for our coursework if you don't want to. If you do want to and you're fine with that, there's no problem. But I just wanted to point that out, that if you want to keep the two things separate, please feel free to do that. Also, it's totally fine to use a username, a Twitter handle that is different than your own name to maintain some anonymity in the public online space. If you do that, though, you need to let me know who you are on Twitter so that I can give you credit appropriately for your work there. Finally, I just wanted to mention that especially if you're creating an account for the first time for this class, your tweets might not show up immediately excuse me, in the course hashtag search. So remember that you need to use the course hashtag that's listed in the Reading Tweets assignment instructions. You just type that in to all of your tweets, and that's how everyone will be able to find each other's work on Twitter. You don't have to follow one another. You don't have to follow me either necessarily. It does help as you're getting started if you mention me in a tweet, so just at CNM Brandon, write my Twitter handle in a tweet, just to ensure that I am able to find you there on Twitter and that I will be able to give you credit for all of your work. So again, just some pointers as we're getting started. There are tutorials for you about how to register and how to get going within CNM Learn. Hopefully everything is pretty straightforward and makes sense within the course. If you have any questions, please ask them whenever they arise. I'm available via email, via text message that I gave you the number in the syllabus, and I'm also available via Twitter. And I'm willing to communicate with you and help you out in any way possible so that we can work together to learn more about the history of Latin America or the history of New Mexico this semester. And interestingly, there's some overlap between those two topics, maybe more than you might think. So once again, I look forward to getting to know all of you.